So we just parked in the parking garage of Stories, a new residential building by PCI. And a buddy of mine, his name is Kayvon from Toronto, is bringing his fitness company called Elevate to this residential building to start hosting fitness classes. And I'm going to be teaching some HIIT classes here for the residents here, as well as the corporate side as well. So really excited to show you guys this amazing building. It's brand new and apparently it's really nice. So excited to show you guys what's up. We got a photo shoot, we got some video shoots as well, and I'll be teaching a HIIT class at 6 p.m. for the residents. So really excited to show you guys. Let's check it out. Welcome to the Stories on South Granville, where culture meets convenience and lifestyle meets luxury. This isn't just another rental building, it's a full-on experience designed for Vancouver's next generation of movers, creators, and professionals. This is where history meets design, from the galleries and cafes of South Granville to the monumental artwork of Sunokai, which celebrates balance, transformation, and the connection between cultures. So we're here on the 40th floor of the Stories, and I'm so amazed by these amenities. Any resident here has access to all these amenities, and the views, the level of finishes here is unreal. It's actually a big selling point to living here. The residents really get treated well. It's crazy, look at this view. It's crazy, and just barbecuing up here on the 40th floor with the view of pretty much the entire city. You got 360 views of the entire downtown core of Vancouver. It's unreal. You got skyline, you got ocean, you got mountains. Then as you go up to the rooftop, the top rooftop, you have a workspace, you have a kitchen, you have multiple outdoor patio areas as well. But when you go to the barbecue area, as you can see here, this has to be the best view out of any building, any barbecue area I've ever seen. It was truly, truly, truly breathtaking, and I could totally see myself cooking and hosting over here. Everybody who's a resident here really has the benefits of luxury living. It's truly amazing, and it's nice to be a resident here, to have access to all this. The Stories brings over 226 new homes to the area, plus 130,000 square feet of grocery, retail, and office space. Everything you need is literally steps to your front door. You're literally right beside, steps away from the transit. Whether you're commuting to downtown, biking to Kits Beach, or walking to Granville Island, this location makes Vancouver living effortless. This was such a beautiful unit, and I really love the floor plan here. This was a 3-bedroom spacious suite. It had high-end finishes, a lot of natural light. Although this was a very gloomy day, you could really see how a lot of natural light would be flooding into this condo. This layout made you feel comfortable. It was really livable, and I really like the open concept layout and flow from the kitchen to the living room to even the bedrooms, and the balcony was available as well, very effortlessly. So it was nice flow between room to room. You could really imagine yourself coming home here after work, or even after a workout from downstairs, and having this space to unwind. This is what premium rental living looks like. It was very bright, it was very spacious, and I really liked that the primary bedroom ensuite had a double sink. I mean, that was a game changer for me. Nobody likes to share sinks. Come on. All right, leading to our main chunk of this video, which is the gym floor, the gym amenities, which is located on the 9th floor. And we started off here with a photo shoot because my friend Kayvon, who's bringing his fitness company called Elevate Fitness
from Toronto to Vancouver. He was having a photo shoot for all the trainers, yeah, pretty much. All the group fitness trainers as well as the personal trainers. So I had my segment. I'm shooting with Brandon David, who is a photographer in the area and a videographer in this area. And we shot a series of workouts, just doing my thing over here through various workouts, etc. And then we went to the workout space where we were going to be doing some workouts. Also, shout out to my boy Kayvon, coming all the way from Toronto to set this all up. But yeah, around 6 p.m. we had full body HIIT class where I led some of the residents who signed up for this class through a full body HIIT. And it was so much fun. Got to meet a whole bunch of people and they all loved it. They got a nice sweat in. It was high energy, a lot of fun. Not to mention, this class was waitlist. There was 30 people on the wait list, so it was nice to be a part of this as well. So seeing how busy this class was and how this weekend is full of classes, definitely going to be hosting classes here quite regularly for not only the residents in the building, but also the commercial and corporate aspect of the building as well, seeing that there is a lot of corporate and commercial space. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Stories, the new residential building on South Granville. And I hope you guys enjoyed checking out the amenities and seeing what the residents and the corporate office space have to use at their disposal. If you want any more information on any rental units here or any of the fitness classes, you'll be able to contact them directly using the information below. Hope you guys enjoyed this tour. Like, comment, subscribe for more tours like this. Have a great day. See you in the next one.